Hi, welcome to itech YouTube channel. Today let's see how to install Ubuntu Server latest version on VMware. Ubuntu Server is world-famous open-source server operating system. Most of companies using Ubuntu because of highest security and free to use and customize. Ubuntu Server version doesn't include graphical interface. But if you want to use GUI you can install it manually. It can serve up websites, file shares, and containers, as well as expand your company offerings with an incredible cloud presence. Download the Ubuntu latest version from official website. You can find the link below in the description. Then open the VMware and follow the steps on the video. VMware steps are same like Ubuntu desktop installation. You can see my previous video about Ubuntu desktop installation. Select the ISO file you downloaded from Ubuntu official site. Now turn on the virtual machine. In this installation you cannot use mouse. Using arrow key select your language and keyboard layout and go to Done and enter. IP address you can keep default DHCP. And leave the proxy as empty and keep the mirrorless default address and enter. If you want you can use first option, which use an entire disk. In this video I'm going to make partition on Ubuntu Server. Then go to customer storage layout and press space then press Done. Go to available devices and select Dev, SDA local disk and press enter and select GPT partition, then enter the amount for swap partition. I'm going to enter 2 GB for this. Then select format to swap area and press enter on create. Now let's make partition for Ubuntu system files. Go again to used available device and select Dev, SDA and press enter. Select Add GPT partition and enter the rest of amount. Keep the format type ext4 and mount point as /. Then create. Press done and again press continue to do the changes on disks. Fill the name, computer name and passwords. Press space for install SSH server. And again, press done. Here nothing to install for right now. Go ahead and press done. Now wait until finish the installation. If you do not have internet, you can select Cancel Update and reboot. It will make the installation quick. But not recommend. If you're going to use this as server, highly recommend to get the updates. Now enter the username and password that you gave during the installation. Looks like difficult to use. But when you used to work with Ubuntu you will like it. Done. Now you are with Ubuntu Server. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And share the knowledge with your friends.